Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm an education specialist here at Lesson Up, and I've made this little video just to show you how easy it is and how brilliant it is, the Lesson Up AI lesson generator. And it's really easy to do. So once you've logged in and you're into Lesson Up itself, this is your kind of normal folder view, and I've made this little subfolder as a little demo area here. So I can click new lesson, and I have a couple of options. I'm just going to go for new lesson. So using the AI editor, the AI generator, you need to go into the new lesson editor. Click on this. We have three options: blank lesson, import PowerPoint, or create lesson with AI. And that's what we're going to do. Remember this little robot for later on as well. So create lesson with AI. We have two options here as well. So we can upload an image with text. Could be your notes, could be any notes, I suppose, don't have to be yours, could be somebody else's. An article, screenshot, or exam question, you could do it like that. For the sake of ease and for brevity with the demo here, I'm going to use just a simple prompt. So we can actually do this short description, or we can paste the text in, which is another great way of making a lesson. But I can do short description, and when I do this create a lesson, I'm being naughty because I'm just going to give it one word, and really I should give it a bit more information than this to help it out, but I like to give it a bit of a challenge, but also for quickness it's quite good, and also I like profiteroles. So we have this demo here, this all set up through this lesson, and we can then change the language. We've got all these options here. We can change educational level. If you don't see exactly what you want on here, there's a lot of options there, but if you don't see what you want, write it in this box because the AI will pick it up. And the AI model we've got, it's not drawing information from your input, it's modeled on teacher input. It's been trained like that as well, like with teachers from around the world, and the idea is that it thinks more pedagogically. So the lesson structures it takes, it's basically more focused than your free AI models on the internet. So it's thinking more in terms of lessons, and obviously it can think about different education levels as well. We can change the number of slides there too. We've got a starter activity that comes in by default. We can turn that off. We've got an exit ticket that comes in by default as well. So these are the two kind of minimum there. The AI is always developing, and it will be able to come up with a greater variety of interactive slides as well. So keep an eye for that as well. We have examples here too, but right now I'm going to hit create lesson, and you get to see it generate the lesson in real time, so you know it's not hanging. And another interesting thing about it is that the images that it's picked, or picking I should say, at the time of doing it, it's actually, these are stock images, these aren't actually AI images, so you can get some dodgy results if it's all purely AI stuff. So the AI lesson generator is picking stock images from our stock image library, and it's made some nice choices. That's making me hungry actually looking at that. So you can review the whole thing. We can then go into edit the lesson, and we have the lesson generated, and that's done a really nice job there as well. So we can then review it all. We've got all of these things here. We can add more interactivity. We can take in, we've got information slides, and then we've got the interactive slides, so we can add in questions, we can add in multiple choice questions there, we can add in open questions, word clouds, everything else that you could imagine there as well, all those other things. We also have the option of going to the little robot here, which actually I'll just take away for a second. You click on that, and then you can access quickly AI tools to help you with it as well, which I can talk about separately. I'm not going to go into detail with that completely right now, but it gives you an idea. And there you go. So that is your lesson generated really, really quickly. It's a usable lesson that you can add more to it as well, and it's something that can obviously really speed things up and be really, really useful. So thank you for watching that, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.